Hello all my dear friends, students. I hope that you are preparing very well. Students, अभी भी काफ़ी बच्चों के messages आ रहे हैं that sorry still we are not clear that what topics we have to prepare according to the reduced syllabus of CBSE for class 10 mathematics especially. So students, let me tell you that the CBSE has reduced 30% of its syllabus, and now in the exam which is going to be held in 2021, the students do not have to do certain topics, and today I will make it very clear. I am sitting with textbook. You also take out your textbooks and let's begin. Now we begin with chapter 1 real numbers. Students, सबसे पहली बात मैं आपको ये बता दूं, कोई भी चैप्टर डिलीटेड नहीं है. मीन्स ऐसा कोई भी चैप्टर ऐसा नहीं है कि सर हम इस पूरे चैप्टर को ओमिट कर सकते हैं. नो स्टूडेंट्स, इन चैप्टर 1 यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा, this topic is omitted and the sums related to this topics are also omitted. So it means that you don't have to do exercise 1.1 at all because all the sums are related to Euclid's division lemma. But exercise 1.2 full, exercise 1.3 full, and similarly exercise 1.4, this is to be done full. In chapter 2 polynomials, 2.1 exercise where we have to find number of zeros full, 2.2 exercise regarding the zeros full. In 2.3 exercise, remember that CBSE has omitted long division method sums and its problems. So 2.3 exercise completely omit. If you talk about the optional exercise, you have to do first and second sum and third also. Fourth and fifth sum are based on long division method, so they are omitted. Let's go further, students. Further we come to chapter number 3. In chapter number 3, students, each and every exercise you have to do. 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, everything you have to do. 3.4 also. 3.5 है ना, यहाँ पे CBSE ने क्लियर किया है कि हम क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड नहीं पूछेंगे. तो सिर्फ क्वेश्चन 3 में ये जो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन लिखा हुआ है ना, सिर्फ ये ओमिट है, बाकी पूरी एक्सरसाइज कर दी है. And also 3.6. So in 3.5 you have to only omit cross multiplication method. Rest the full exercise and the full chapter you have to do. Similarly in optional exercise, the full exercise you have to do. For those students who are very sincere, very hard working और जो optional exercise अच्छी तरह करते हैं, you have to do everything. Coming to chapter 4 quadratic equations, 4.1 full, 4.2 full. ठीक है. नाउ स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे CBSE ने ये बताया है कि प्रॉब्लम सम्स रिलेटेड टू डेली लाइफ प्रॉब्लम्स, जिसमें हमें अप्लाई करना होता है क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला या क्वाड्रेटिक फॉर्मूला को रिड्यूस करना होता है, ऐसे प्रॉब्लम सम्स नहीं करते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, देखा जाए तो इस चैप्टर के सारे प्रॉब्लम सम्स हम ओमिट कर सकते हैं, बट आई विल सजेस्ट यू डोंट डू 5 and 6 of 4.2. because here we have to reduce the quadratic formula. And similarly in 4.3 you have to do full exercise, but this sums where we have to reduce our quadratic equation, this sums we will not do. Please omit these sums 5 to 11. ठीक है. Rest everything you have to do. Coming to 4.4, please do this exercise completely. Yeah. In chapter 5, arithmetic progression, the CBSE has deleted the problem sums which are based on practical life. It means in 5.2, 5.1 is full. आपको पूरी 5.1 करनी है. 5.2 में से आप ये दो sums omit कर सकते हैं. That is sum number 19 and 20. And in 5.3, प्लीज 14 सम्स तक आपको सारे करते हैं, एंड देन फ्रॉम 15th ऑनवर्ड्स डोंट डू 15, 16, 17, 18. प्लीज ओमिट as well as 19-20. So 15 to 20 you don't have to do. And if you talk about optional exercise, you have to do only first 10 seconds. I repeat, you have to do only first 10 seconds. The remaining 3 are practical based questions, so do not do. If you talk about chapter 6 triangles, which is the base of geometry, full chapter you have to do. Only there are 2 theorems जिनके प्रूफ आपको नहीं करने, और वो थियरम है थियरम नंबर 6.6. ये रहा, इसका प्रूफ आपको नहीं करना है, बट इसके बेस के सम्स आ सकते हैं. एंड सिमिलरली कन्वर्स ऑफ पाइथागोरस थ्योरम, दैट इज थियरम 6.9. सो स्टूडेंट्स, थियरम 6.6 एंड थियरम 6.9 सिर्फ इनके प्रूफ नहीं करने हैं, बाकी फुल चैप्टर करना है. इनके सम्स ओमिट है या नहीं है ये अभी तक कुछ स्पेसिफाइड नहीं है, तो आई रिक्वेस्ट यू टू डू द फुल चैप्टर. इफ यू टॉक अबाउट चैप्टर 7 कोऑर्डिनेट ज्योमेट्री, then 7.1 you have to do full, 7.2 also you have to do full, but do not do 7.3 because area of triangle by coordinate geometry, such sums have been deleted for this particular year. Okay, rest full chapter you have to do. Chapter 8 trigonometry, which is the base which you have to prepare very well for 11th and 12th standard if you are taking science. So students, in this chapter 8.1 full, 8.2 full, 8.3 complementary angles, this exercise is deleted, and 8.4 full, but इसमें question 3 मत करना because it is related to 8.3. Only question 3 will be omitted. Chapter 9 application of trigonometry, ये chapter पूरा करना है सर. There is no deletion. सिर्फ ये वाला sum which is based on complementary, this is deleted because this is based on the topic 8.3 जो CBSE ने delete कर दिया है for this particular year. Chapter 10 circle, no deletion, मतलब आपको पूरा chapter full करना है. Chapter 11 construction, इसमें how to construct a triangle similar to another triangle, such type of constructions are omitted, so 11.1 is completely omitted. आपको 11.1 पूरा ओमिट कर देना है. 11.2 एक्सरसाइज ओनली यू हैव टू डू इन दिस चैप्टर. टॉकिंग अबाउट चैप्टर 12, 12.1 फुल. इन 12.2 जस्ट लुक एट एग्जाम्पल 3. दिस इज ओमिटेड बिकॉज यहाँ पे सेंट्रल एंगल इज 120 डिग्री. सम्स जहाँ सेंट्रल एंगल 120 डिग्री है दे आर ओमिटेड. एग्जाम्पल 3 इज ओमिटेड. सिमिलरली सम नंबर 7 of 12.2 सिर्फ एक ही सम ओमिट है, बाकी पूरा एक्सरसाइज आपको करना है. इन द सेम वे 12.3 में क्वेश्चन 6 इज ओमिटेड. द रिमेनिंग फुल एक्सरसाइज यू हैव टू डू. ओनली क्वेश्चन 6 इज ओमिटेड. करेक्ट स्टूडेंट्स? सो इन दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर ऑफ 12 ओनली 3 क्वेश्चंस हैव बीन ओमिटेड. चैप्टर 3 सरफेस एरिया वॉल्यूम, फुल चैप्टर यू हैव टू डू. 13.1, 13.2, 13.3, but 13.4 frustum of cone, this exercise और उसके examples have been deleted. Next, chapter 14, if you talk about statistics, in the first exercise mean find करने के 3 methods हैं: direct method, assume mean method and step deviation method. तो आपको 14.1 full करना है, but remember you don't have to do step deviation method. You can solve the sums either by direct method or by assume mean method. Do not do step deviation. 14.2 is full. 14.3 you have to do full. And 14.4 cumulative frequency graph, that exercise is omitted. Chapter 15 probability is going to come complete. मतलब ये जो पूरी एक्सरसाइज है आपकी एक ही एक्सरसाइज है प्रोबेबिलिटी चैप्टर में, you have to do full. So I hope students everything is clear what to do and what not to do. Still I would request you that whenever you get time, do also go through the topics which are being deleted by the board of CBSE, because students, I believe that scoring marks and getting knowledge are two different things, and for My friends, for all my SGTNs, I believe that gaining knowledge is more important than gaining marks. So with this positive note, thank you everyone, and do share these videos to all your friends who are in standard 10th. Let their confusions get over. And if you haven't subscribed the channel yet, do it right now. Till then, bye bye and have a great day.